Oi. Wow, wow. Shit. Damn. Oh, shoot.
How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5?
So about 20,000 watts on batteries. That's gonna be fun. Okay, let's move. Let's go.
Hello sir, welcome on board.
Thank you. And quite an impressive airplane. How fast are you going to be flying today?
Well, we can do anything between 200 kilometers an hour up to actually 750 kilometers an hour, but that's, you know, downhill.
Normally we shoot around 300 watts, 500 watts in the studio. Today we're shooting at about 25,000, 30,000 watts. But the thing is that we're going to set it up so it's going to center at a certain point, and we will have to try to catch you while you're at that point, because that's where all the most of the power will be. So it's shooting at these distances and with as much power as we have today is quite a challenge. So we have to try to get you at just that split of a second, basically. It's going to be a massive challenge to actually light up the sky. Shooting so much power at once, you should actually be able to feel the heat from the light. Okay guys, let's go. Cool. Put everything on max. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Can you start with this one? A little bit that way. Snang. Our jet is coming in. It's coming in over here. In 40 seconds, so I gotta go. Big time. This is the first go. This jet is coming in right now. Test. All right. Okay, there's no way we can catch this unless we use a wide angle. Okay, you're in the way. That's gonna be hard to catch. Oy, oy, oy. That is very fast. There's very little to see right now, and it's very dark still. So we're still fixing around until we get it right. Get it? Oh my God, this is hard. I didn't even get it. I didn't catch him, so we're gonna have to try again. The difficulty here right now is actually catching the plane, because it's going so fast that even with a super wide angle lens we have problems actually catching it. The good news is that the lighting, we are actually able to hit the plane and get it lit up. Toes, he needs to go lower, much lower. Nope. Well, it's coming in right now. So I gotta get it. So there's a slight frustration in trying to actually catch it. It is not easy. Lower down and make a spin. We need this shot. Got like 5 more rounds, but that's probably it. So we gotta get the shot. We gotta get the shot. I think we might have to do a follow. yes. Got it, totally got it. And that's the cockpit. So we got this one right on. Yes! Bingo! Got it. Totally got it.
Wow.
Look at that. We are actually lighting an airplane. Look at that. Perfect. That is nice. That is nice. Shang. Perfectly framed, lit up by flash.
It's a wrap.
Good job. Woo!